The BMW M5 is finally rebuilt and finished. But for that exact reason is why we have to say goodbye to it. The M5 was a challenging rebuild from the very start.
Are you mad?
So challenging, the previous mechanic gave up on the repair, and even in the condition the car was, cost me £32,500. But the car wasn't for everyone.
I don't like BMWs.
Despite Hannah not liking the car, my dad and I worked together to tackle the repair we've never done before. And with some hard work and a little bit of talent, we managed to get the repair done whilst keeping it under budget. £300. But there was still a long road ahead. After fixing it, I added upgrades, charge coolers, induction kits, carbon fibre parts, an exhaust. And then we pushed the power. Whoa! 720 horsepower. And after all of that, it even got approval from BMW.
I'd probably go about 8 looking at it, to be honest with you.
The thing is, this car's kind of took me by surprise. I didn't realise how good the BMW M5 was. It's been an amazing daily. You can switch it from 4-wheel drive to 2-wheel drive. It's comfortable. The seats in the back. This car has been a build of its own kind, really. It's so good. But now it's time to say goodbye to the M5. This car has taught me a lot. I've learnt new skills. Yeah! I've been able to make amazing videos along the way. All you've got to do is go to my dad's house and take part of his garage roof off. And the final product has turned out to be amazing. So hang on, you just said it was like the best car ever, so why are you getting rid of it? As much as I'd love, and the absolute dream is to keep every single car I rebuild, it's just not financially possible, and we just don't have the space to do it. So why this one? What makes this one so special that you're gonna get rid of it? Well, as you know, and as you guys know at home, my job now is to make YouTube videos, to make exciting content, and when the car's complete, I literally run out of things to film on it. There's not much else I want to do or can do with this BMW M5. So who are you selling it to, and where's it gonna go, and how do I buy it? Well, listen closely. Oh no, I think I know what's coming. That's right, high-speed competitions are giving you guys a chance to win my BMW M5. Oh, not another one of these raffle scams. No one ever wins. Well, actually, that's where you're wrong. This might take a while because there's a long list of people. But here it goes. We had Craig, who won my Audi S5. Jack, who won my Bentley Continental GT. Matt, who won my Golf R. Callum, who won Hannah's Ford Mustang. Mark, who won my Audi R8. Chris, who won my BMW M4. A different Chris, who won my BMW M140i. Rebecca, who won Hannah's RS5. And Peter, who won my BMW E46 M3. All of these people all took home one of the builds, and it was actually truly life-changing. Shortly after Matt won the Golf R, his brother-in-law fell ill, but he was able to sell the Golf R and with the money pay for his brother-in-law to get the surgery done. Caleb's insurance on the Mustang was extortionate.
I've had one for 17,000.
He ended up insuring it for 1 month, then later sold it and was able to use the money as a deposit for his first house. Chris kept the M4 for a long time, but later did the same thing as Caleb, sold the car and put money down for a house. And the raffles have also helped many other subscribers as well. Hang on, why don't you just sell the cars like everybody else does in this world? As most of the long-term subscribers will know, we've been doing this format for such a long time now, and I feel like just selling the car privately is such an anticlimactic way to end the build when it can go towards changing one of the subscribers' life, in fact. Well, I don't like raffles. I think they're rubbish, and it's just a rubbish idea. There's a very simple solution to that. If you don't like the raffles, you don't have to enter. I'm not forcing anyone to enter a raffle. You can continue watching the videos as usual. But if you do want to enter, here's how. Number 1, there's only 24 hours remaining of the competition. 24 hours? Yes, 24 hours. Why 24 hours? I wanted the BMW M5 to go to someone who watches the videos as soon as they come out. A proper subscriber, you might say. Secondly, the competition will be hosted by High Speed Competitions, which Hannah is one of the directors for. The reason we have to run it through High Speed Competitions is to make sure everything is all legit and legal. Ain't that right? She said yes. Hang on, if there's only 24 hours left, how many tickets are available? So this is a time-based competition, not a ticket-based, and the time is ticking. So what if you don't sell enough tickets? Are you not going to give it away then? No, the M5 will be going regardless. If only one ticket sells, only one ticket sells. That's why it's a little bit of a risk on our side as well. So why don't you just open the time for longer so you can definitely sell more tickets? You're just stupid! As I mentioned, I want one of you guys to win it. One of the people that watch the videos in the first 24 hours. Yes, we could open up the competition for longer, but I want it to be as fair as possible.
Oh, hey Matt. I'm from the States. Can I enter the competition?
No, unfortunately, this is a UK competition only.
Gosh dang it. No worries, man. Keep up the good work.
Unfortunately, we can't open this competition up all around the world, as much as I would love to, because I know so many of you watch from so many different countries. We just can't make it possible, and we've been trying for years and years, but there's different laws in different countries which stop us from being able to do it. Okay, I want to enter. How do I do it? One ticket is one entry, and one ticket costs £9.95p. How do I buy a ticket then? First step would be to go to highspeedcomps.com, or just click the link in the description box below. You'll then have to answer one simple question, and after that, select how many tickets you want. You may notice as well, you're not only entered in to win the BMW M5, but 4 more prizes. 5th place will get £1,000, 4th place will get £1,000, 3rd place will get £1,000, 2nd place will get £1,000, and of course 1st place will get the BMW M5 along with £2,000 cash to help them insure it, tax it, drive it, or fuel money. But don't worry, if you're lucky enough to win one of the £1,000, you're still entered into each competition all the way up to the BMW M5. So technically, you could win all of it if you're major lucky. Now the payment process, it can be a little tricky, but bear with us. Once you've created an account and bought your tickets, which you'll have to confirm using your banking app, you'll then get a confirmation screen which looks like this, and your ticket numbers will be emailed to you. But don't worry, if you can't find the email, check in your junk folder, and if you can't find it in there, log into your account on High Speed Competitions and you'll see your recent orders, which will give you all your ticket numbers. Right, done all that. But hang on a minute, my ticket number is 49,654. Have you sold 49,654 tickets? That's a rip-off. No, ticket numbers are completely randomly allocated. If you bought the first ticket of the competition, it could be ticket number 500,369. It is completely random. Okay, I've got my ticket. How do I know if I've won? There will literally be a live draw tomorrow. You'll find out whether you've won the car tomorrow, or if you're watching this on the Thursday, you'll find out today whether you've won the car through a live draw. And that live draw will be happening on High Speed Competitions Facebook page and on my YouTube channel. We're live at 9 PM Thursday the 3rd of August. How do I know this is all legit then? Are you not just gonna give it away to one of your friends or something? So the winner will be picked using a Google random number generator. You guys can even do this at home. If you go onto Google and search random number generator, it's the first thing that pops up. And remember, this is all live. You guys will be able to watch this. There'll be a list of people with the ticket numbers as well. We'll scroll down. We'll give you guys shout outs as well on the live draw, because me and Hannah will be doing it. And in the random number generator, we'll select the minimum number and the maximum number of tickets and then select generate. 5,958. And that number which appears will be the winner of the competition. And we'll be calling them live or trying to FaceTime them live tomorrow, or if you're watching this Thursday, today, during that live draw. Yeah. It's Chris Hibbert and you've just won my BMW M4 competition. But what if I miss the live draw? Does that mean I'm not going to win the car and it's just going to go to somebody else? No, don't worry if you miss the live draw. If you've won, we'll contact you by a phone call or an email address that you used when buying the ticket. We will not contact you through any social media, so don't fall for any scams that people try to do.
So after all that, what do you do with all the money?
Well, as you know, and as all you guys know, I'm in this YouTube thing 110%, and every time we've finished a raffle, it's always gone on to bigger and better projects for me to push the content more and more. The channel has grown huge since we first started, and I love every single second of doing this, and you'll only see it go to doing bigger and better projects. And we've also been able to help a lot of people along the way as well. But don't worry if you don't enter or can't enter, you're still supporting the channel by watching these videos week in, week out. And I thank every single one of you for that. But good luck to all those that have got a ticket, and maybe I'll be calling you Thursday at 9 PM to say that you've won this BMW M5 competition. See you Thursday, 9 PM. Peace out. Hang on. Why don't you just... Why?
Oh, gosh dang it. No worries, man. Keep up the good work.
Put the phone down.
Like a drug that I just can't deny.